It looks like a little trout lure. It looked weird to me.
It's a lure?
Yeah.
That's surprising.
Got it on the lip.
My whole life.
Me neither.
Even when I used to bait fish, never. It's not catfish, no pressure. This is crazy, guys.
Not even a bite.
This is like almost guaranteed fish over here all the time.
Yeah.
I'd have been willing to bet big money.
$1,000. Yeah.
Big money that the urchin was gonna lay.
Got one bite though. Yeah, I got one bite. Probably a smallie. He didn't get his whole face on the hook. Because like I said, that hook is on top of the bait. People really scope with this bait.
Yeah.
I'm kind of mind blown. Neither. I haven't caught a fish off of here yet. I've been smacking him at the rod though with this.
Oh yeah.
Damn God. Right there by those docks.
You think it does well by the docks?
Hell yeah. It does great. And it pulls those fish out. Oh, so you know where another good spot is, bro? Right there. Those docks right there by Buckley Cove, just on the other side of that, so like, you know when you're pulling in, where all the sailboats are?
Oh,
Those
yeah.
docks over there. You ever fish that?
Yeah, once in a while.
Loaded. I always get kicked out of there. I can't fish over there.
Really?
Yeah, they don't let me fish.
You just go until they kick you out.
Exactly, yeah. Whenever that gate's open, I pull in and I go all the way to the back. And then those docks are loaded with fish.
Oh, nice.
Are they nice or are they pretty weird?
They're nice. They're nice about it. Oh, you mean the people?
Yeah.
And when they kick you out.
Yeah, they're super nice, yeah.
Excuse me, sir. You can't be fishing over here. Even
Yeah.
though we told you like 50 times.
50. Me, I'm sorry.
No, you need to.
God, I can't believe you're not getting a bite on that.
Look at that shit.
I'm throwing the urchin. Nothing.
I think he's saying, let's go.
Oh, I almost landed the urchin inside of that tunnel right there. You see that? Or that white thing?
Oh, yeah. Did you really?
How much you want to bet I'll get it in there?
Let's go.
That's kind of,
Lure.
that's crazy, huh?
Your lure for Mike Karashi.
Hell no. Yeah.
You get 3 chances.
Oh, bro.
You don't think I could do it? All right, I'll do it without a bet. Ready? Let's try it. Let's try it right there. Oh,
You get 3 chances.
3 chances. Okay.
It's like a carnival game.
Oh, yeah.
Damn, I can't believe I'm not getting bit.
Pretty close though.
Now this guy got me trying to get the urchin in the thing. Oh no.
Is that good?
Yeah.
I think
There's
that
nothing here, Ruben. You gotta get on the rocks.
that tail is something else. They react to that blue tail.
Different from the crouching.
Yeah.
Oh no. Close.
Oh, you're trying to get it in there?
I picked up my rod.
Oh, that sounded horrible. Frog maybe? No, you're already throwing top water, huh?
Nice.
How many rods do we have on this boat? I brought 5.
I think I have 13.
Die. What about you, Rich?
We got 2.
Hell yeah.
Good one here with the lizard.
When you have the Karachi, you don't need nothing else, baby.
I know. I'm thinking of switching back to the garage and the other pool. My other pool better.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Fuck it.
Yes, yes.
I just didn't want to redo the lizard. This is my better pool. Bigger 15-pound test.
The thing with the urchin is, dude, is that like it's a new thing, right? So like as quick as they bite it, they'll let it out their mouth. Half the time I don't even feel the thud, you know?
Oh damn. That's kind of how it's like with the what is that? The wacky. Maybe not as
Yeah.
weird. They don't
Man, you ever fish the Calaveras back there?
Yeah, there's a lot of dogs right there.
Lot loaded, bro. Another good fishing spot. Water's dirty over here. Towards downtown, the water's blue and clear. You notice that?
That's crazy.
Insane, right?
Not a lot of
Look how dirty it is.
not a lot of traffic. When there's no boat traffic, the water's super clear. You're not
pulling out. Big bass catcher.
Yeah. You're not gonna hit the pole, Ruben? Oh, we're good.
I know he's scaring me too. Kind of used to it now, but at the beginning I was like,
Yeah.
puckering for sure.
We're good.
Can you pull us forward?
I'm gonna just squeeze between this pipe and that pipe. Yeah, all of this, bro. I used to almost always get a fish right here by this white pipe. Almost always. And then back here is tons of weeds.
Okay.
Tons of weeds.
Alright, you know what? I'm gonna go back to where we started, the frog and the chatter. I'm gonna throw my frog directly down there.
Look at that, bro.
I know, you see that?
Right now it's just high tide, but as it goes down, it's just goes deep, bro. What does your older brother do? You said
Paul?
you got kids and stuff?
We're all deadbeats, bro. He's
Wait,
a
so
dead.
so you and your brother were adopted,
Yeah, correct, yeah.
but then did your parents split up?
So my biological?
No, your adopted parents.
Yeah, we're all still together, yeah.
Oh, okay. Because I thought you said you had like some step siblings or something.
Yeah, I don't have any of those. It's so my
Oh,
boy,
your friends. You got two friends.
my
that
boy
like-
Mike and George, they're like brothers to me. We're very, very close high school friends, and literally, their kids are part of the family, just like how they are. But my brother, he's like 31. He's not working. He's not doing too good.
But he has kids too, you said?
No, he don't have no kids. No, he's actually homo.
He's what?
He's gay.
Oh, is he?
Yeah, he's gay. Yeah, he's a good guy though, but
How did that happen?
I have no idea. Thank God I didn't turn out. Well, I don't want to say nothing about bad, you know, but I'm happy I'm heterosexual, you know.
I grew up in San Francisco, so
But like that guy drives himself fucking crazy. Like I tell him all the time, like I don't know how you do it, bro. He don't want to go places. He don't want to go places or around certain people, you know. Like
Why?
He's just, I don't know. Maybe that's part about being fucking gay. I have no idea, man. I'm just happy I'm not like that. You know?
Has he always been like somebody that you thought? You know, because sometimes like there's kids that they're just kind of feminine.
He's feminine, yeah.
He's been like that his whole life.
Yeah. And I'm not no big tough guy neither, you know. Like I'm like I don't ever get in like the fights or anything. Like I'm not a fucking dumbass, you know. But
No, I get it.
Look at this. Fixing to show you, bro.
doesn't that look so good, Ruben?
Yeah, look at that thing flopping along.
I can't believe I didn't get a blow up right there.
You worked that thing, I'm telling you, all the way back out.
Good one, huh? Oh, dang, man.
It's a bigger ding.
This one was out of stock for a long time. Every was a bigger truck.
Yeah. I went a little too deep in the field there. The line of the I'll have to go for that one. You have to go fish him out.
You guys have any brothers or sisters, siblings?
I do. I have one half brother.
Okay. And you say you grew up in Frisco?
Yeah, I grew up in Frisco.
That's pretty cool. He's knocking. How many fish are you got today? Like 8, 9, 10?
A melee. Look over there. Little striker action right there. Or maybe that.
There's just so much grass right here too.
Yeah.
Yeah, he lives in Florida right now.
Florida, that's pretty cool.
Does he fish out there too?
Oh yeah, he's like us. He loves it.
They got big bass in Florida, huh?
Big bass. Florida bass.
What about Texas? You guys ever fish over there?
I've never really been or fished out of state. Look at that back there. See it?
Oh dang!
I think it might be stripers. Could be bass though. Good bait. Good bait. Good bait. Some bass. Don't mind me. I just got it. Fight to be serious.
I'm good. I got the heavier test now, so I can yank it a little more violently.
No fish?
Slacker.
These fish are active.
Right here, look. They're scaring some bait fish.
You throwing top water?
I just threw the frog to the head of my hand.
Damn, I should punch right here too.
And I was like, what do you do? There's so many things.
There's so many things to do.
What do I do, buddy? What do I do?
Where they, buddy? Oh, okay. Very good.
Are they good?
Yeah, totally good. Go ahead, keep busting.
So much shit to do, like you said, it's inside.
Yeah. You could literally just like keep fishing the same spot.
Alright, I think I need to go back to my worm.
Go. Come on, buddy. What are you doing? Come on, go for it. Go for it, buddy. Don't inside. Don't do this.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. Love it
They're
first time.
still boiling up over there, no?
Blow it up some more.
I never fish those frogs that have legs on it like that.
Yeah. Well, I like this one because it floats.
And it has one hook, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, I call it.